What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today we're going to take the rocker panels off our scionxb and check for rust. Now you want to do this for any car that you just buy, or just to see if there's any rust down in between the rocker panels and the bottom of the car. If you buy a car that you know that's been up north or in the snow or any type of like area where they put salt on the roads, you want to check the rocker panels and see if there's any rust down at the bottom. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that we're here down at the bottom, I noticed that there's some plastic tabs here, but on the back there's a 10mm screw. So I assume there's a 10mm screw here and on the other side, and then there's 5 plastic tabs down at the bottom. So let's take it off. Alright, so now that we've gotten these plastic, you can see there, plastic tabs off, there are 9 little tabs that go all the way across. So now we'll take those off. One of these. Alright, so also keep in mind, before you take off those 9 tabs, there's double-sided tape on each side here at the top. So there and there. Once you have the double-sided tape taken off, then you can pop out 9 of those tabs. Okay, so I was wrong about the 9 tabs. So the 9 tabs are for, I guess, a XB that's not a release series, because there's no tabs on this. And the 2 double-sided tape spots that I was talking about, in the manual that I have for repairing, it says it's double-sided tape on each side. But with the KENSTYLE body kit, there's double-sided tape all along the bottom. There are no tabs. So, as I did with the bumper, I'm using this very carefully and going all the way across to take the double-sided tape off. That way we can clean it up, make sure there's no rust, and then we'll put it back on. Now, I have seen on other people's XBs, when they get these KENSTYLE side rocker panels, they put them on backwards. So we might be doing that. We might put these on backwards. Kind of like the way it looks. So we'll get back to it and take off the double-sided tape. So it's a lot more work than I thought. I thought it was just clipping off 9 clips. But it seems with the KENSTYLE body kit, it's all double-sided tape. Okay, so there's supposed to be a 10mm screw here and on the other side as well. But as you can see, there's double-sided tape all along and no tabs holding the KENSTYLE body kit rocker panels. So it looks like there's no rust, which is good. All right, so as you can see, double-sided tape here, here, and all along, and the same on the end there. So the rocker panels are held on by these here. Those go here. We'll buy some new ones. And then 10mm screw here, 10mm screw here on each side. So as you can see, no rust. These are the tabs that I was talking about. I think those are the tabs that were on the manual, but they are irrelevant in this situation. Because as you can see, there's no spots on the KENSTYLE rocker panels that have those tabs to go in. Interesting. So now that we've got the back bumper off, we've got a new bumper, rear bumper, new front bumper. I did take off the body kit off the front bumper, but now I need to take the body kit off of the rear bumper. Now, as you know, I'm not using this rear bumper. I am going to keep it, but I'm not afraid to scratch the paint on this. You know, scuff marks or whatever, taking off the body kit, because I want to be very careful of taking this body kit off, because as you know, these are hard to find. So when taking it off, there is double-sided tape all along here. That's what's holding it on, and then one fastener in the middle. I want to make sure that I don't crack it. So we're going to take our time. I've already started. Again, it's double-sided tape, and I'm just using this interior, you know, pry tool made of plastic that I got from Harbor Freight. Oh, and as you know, this trim right here, this black piece is rubber, and that's what I'm gonna change as well. So I'm having the bumper and the body kit painted separately, and then I'll put the body kit on later after these items have been painted. Okay, so an easier way of doing this, and it sounds horrible, but I'm not going to use this bumper, so a long razor. It sounds bad, but it's getting the job done. All right, so just keep in mind that it is double-sided tape all the way, and then there's one plastic piece. Right there. All right, so as you can see, double-sided tape goes all the way across the bumper. That's what holds the KENSTYLE body kit. So as you can see, it's a straight OEM bumper, and there's rocks in there. It's crazy. There's another rock in there. And then we have the KENSTYLE body kit, and this is upside down. And again, I just used a long razor blade to get to that double-sided tape. Well, there you have it. We've had some more fun in the garage with the 2nd Gen scionxb. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Oil and Gears, as well as subscribing and turning on that bell icon down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.